I'll guide you how to set a minimum and maximum order quantity in WooCommerce. First, open your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Order Limit plugin and click on Add New Rule. A new screen will appear. Here, enter the rule name, select the rule type, and choose the product type. Then, select the product you want to apply the limit to. Now, add a value for minimum. If you want to set maximum order quantity, check the Enable Maximum Limit checkbox and enter value for maximum limit. Choose whether you want to set the limit based on quantity or amount. Here, I'm selecting quantity. Click Publish to save and enable the rule. I have selected lip shades as a product with minimum quantity set to 5 and the maximum quantity is 10. In the rules list, you can see the list of rules with statuses enabled and disabled. Next, open your store and try adding only one lip shade to the cart. You'll see an error message. Lip shades. Minimum quantity must be greater than 5 and less than 10. This message appears on the shop page, cart page, and checkout page. When you update the quantity within the range of 5 to 10 to meet the rule requirements, the error disappears. You can proceed to checkout page to place the order successfully. Thank you for your time.